Legends of Learning presents the Databar Factory game. This is a math game that makes learning about drawing and solving problems with a scaled bar graph fun and easy to understand. In this informative, instructional game, as the head of quality control, you have to inspect the electronic components produced at the Databar Factory before they are sent out to the consumer. The Databar Factory is manufacturing at top speed, so you will have to be quick. This math game will test your knowledge on solving problems using a scaled bar graph. You will start by collecting all the following objects to collect all the necessary parts to make the product. Use the visual bar graph to measure the amount of objects collected. After collecting all the objects, you will use a lever to select the correct answer to a math question. After collecting all the objects, you will use a lever to select the answer to a math question. You must answer the question correctly to move on to the next level. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.